The Elephant Rope. The Story of Belief. Let's begin. Once in the elephant camp, the elephants were set free without being in cages and chains. But the only thing they were tied is to a rope. A man passing near to them was shocked as he saw the elephants are tied to rope and they were not escaping. Then he asked the trainer about the rope and the elephants. Then the trainer replied, when the elephants were small, they were tied to the ropes. As they were small, the rope was enough to hold them back from escaping, and they tried to escape but not succeed. So they still believe that the rope can still hold them back. Hey guys, the moral from the story we get is that we should always believe that we can achieve what we want irrespective of time, now or later, but for sure. So always believe that we can achieve it. This was the story of Elephant Rope. What the mind can conceive, it can achieve. Stay motivated, build confidence. Hey guys, if you like this video, like it, share with your friends.